also joining today to share my experience. First of all, I would like to thank you because when I started this course, I knew I couldn't do this course like less than a year, but honestly I did my both exams in like within 6 months. So that
Oh,
is
perfect. Yeah.
even shocking for me. So your videos are amazing, and they are really like they actually fast forwarded the process for me. And I would
Mhm.
say I couldn't imagine doing any other course than yours. Especially hats off to your videos and all the important topics and everything. All I did was I just listened to your videos twice before my
Mhm.
exam. And then before exam I just focused on the important topics and important videos and quizzes, mock tests and quizzes. I did it. That practice is really, really, really important.
Mhm.
I suggest read your question properly, because the whole question is very nice. You see, oh, I know this topic and this, but somewhere in the question there is a word couldn't or can. That is something that you have to read properly, because sometimes we skip simple words and we just focus on the main question, and that's
Mhm.
where we just make our answers incorrect. And for residentials, I did same thing. I just focused on your main videos, important topics, and I just did important videos, and I did quizzes like from main course and
Mhm.
from the study guide, quizzes, mock tests. That was very helpful. Like literally a day before, I didn't know what else I can read or what I can do. I was like, I did everything, and that's pretty much it. And I really want to thank you for putting so much hard work on preparing these videos and mock tests and everything. This is really, really, really helpful.
Yeah, thank you for the feedback, Karima. So basically, what you're suggesting is focus on the videos, that go through the main videos a couple of times, and then the study guide, right? The quizzes, questions, and
Yeah.
topics.
Honestly,
Yeah.
I did not touch. Honestly, it's for me. I'm not recommending anybody else to do it, but I did not
Hmm.
touch any PDFs on the main course. I
Yeah.
only did your videos and then the
Hmm.
quizzes, and that's it from your main course. And from the study guide, I only did all quizzes, maybe a couple of times, mock tests, and the
Hmm.
important videos. I did,
The
because
review
there were
videos,
two
you mean, right?
yeah, the review
Yeah.
videos in the end, like
Yeah.
twice.
Hmm.
I'm not suggesting anybody to do this way, but I'm telling you, like, I passed both my exams by doing this, and I think within 6 months I passed both my exams.
And I also
Okay.
want to add to that Garima and I, we both are study buddies. So if you
Okay.
have somebody that who can
Yeah.
help you, like if you have some other person doing the exam, it's really helpful, because what we used to do,
Hmm.
we used to push each other. We used to share our notes. We used to kind of help each other.
Yeah, so that's a good point, Harpreet. Thank you for mentioning that, because I was like, I can't do this myself. I need somebody else, like be in a study group. So I just put a ad on Kijiji, and I was like, okay, anybody else studying for this exam? And then I put a team together to study together. So I find like it's not necessary for everybody, but if you are, I find having the right environment definitely helps. I saw some posts in our Facebook group asking, for study buddies. I do recommend it, right? It's easier when somebody else is on the same journey as you, and if you can connect with somebody just to kind of share the experiences sometimes. And sometimes it's, things are not working, you're frustrated, so you can bounce ideas off of somebody, or you can motivate each other or help hold each other accountable. So I do recommend study groups, and if you're looking for a study partner, post it in our Facebook group, and there will be other people hopefully in the same area, or you can, even if you're not in the same area, you guys can still be study buddies.
Yeah, thank you. I'm over it. I passed the exam. So yeah, thanks again.
Good, good. I'm glad to hear that.